I'm a OG boy. Know that the Alright, let's do this thing. Let's get to this wedge salad. I'm going to be making 2 today. I'm going to show you 1. So, got our lettuce. Any head of lettuce you like is really up to you. Got a little bacon. Got some little jewel tomatoes cut in half. Of course, we got our blue cheese dressing. And we also got some fried onions. And a little extra blue cheese crumbles for me. Alright, somebody here don't care for it. But I'm going to do me. Alright, so how I'm going to start with this is I'm actually just going to go in with the dressing. Now, you know what? Let's start with some tomatoes. I love these little colorful tomatoes. Let's fill them in. And then get some of our dressing. Put our dressing on there. Grab the chives. It's a little thick. It's been sitting up. It's been sitting in the fridge, just absorbing all that flavor. I'm gonna take some bacon. Drop that around there. And then some fried onions. Pop those all around. I'll do an extra little of salt and an extra little crack of pepper. And that is our wedge salad. Now I gotta give me a little taste. I don't understand these forks. I'm gonna work with it. Alright, I'm just gonna grab a tomato with the blue cheese dressing. Boom, hold on one sec. I got a little extra blue cheese crumbles. Don't you hate when you get these little things and they ain't got the little pulley tab on them? Come on, man. I'm basically a 7th grader in the old ass person's body. I mean, help. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these crumbles and just crumble them like that. Yes. If you're a blue cheese fan, get you some. Man, this is one way to do a wedge salad. You can do anything you want, frankly. I'm about to make one for my boo that I got Caesar dressing on it. So you can do anything you want. Whatever you like. It's still gonna be delicious. This is also just like a bomb ass lunch. My goal is, like, I know this is probably a good amount of calories, you know, but it's really low carb, it's fresh, and crunchy, delicious. Okay? I don't know why I'm French all of a sudden. Pardon me. Pardon.